Let's talk about Donald Trump's tax returns. There is no reason at this point not to release Donald Trump's tax returns. The backstory is Trump has said he's not going to release the tax returns because they are under audit. Now, number one, it's very unlikely that 2015 is already under audit. It typically takes a little longer for the IRS to put a tax year under audit, but he's not going to release 2015. We already know that some prior years, I think it's '08 to 2012, the audits have been cleared. He's also not going to release those. To be perfectly clear, number one, nothing prevents an American from releasing their own tax returns, whether you're under audit or not. Trump's argument is he's been advised not to until all the audits are done, but there's no legal issue whatsoever. Now, former IRS Commissioner John Moore, who was appointed originally by President Reagan and then reappointed by George H.W. Bush, and who has disclosed that he is voting for Hillary Clinton this year, he wrote a long piece saying, number one, Trump should release the tax returns. Voters should get a look at them. There could be a lot learned from them. As many have already speculated, Trump has really no excuse not to release them other than they would be damaging to his campaign. And Moore's suggestion is, okay, listen, Donald, let's grant that there might be very complicated things in some of the deeper pages of your tax returns, but release just the first 2 pages of your Form 1040, which is like the base federal tax filing, along with your Schedule A from the last 20 years, and it would give us the basics: how much Donald Trump made, how much he paid in taxes, and how much he contributes to charity. These are three of the interesting elements that some speculate could be damaging to Trump if they were to be made public. The former IRS commissioner, is very clear that this would have no impact whatsoever on any audits that may or may not be going on. We have similar data from Hillary Clinton dating back 20 years, and there is absolutely no reason whatsoever not to release this. And it is becoming so clear now, Lewis, that this is calculated. Clearly, Donald Trump has calculated that releasing the tax returns would do more damage than keeping them private. And to be perfectly honest, if I were Trump and I saw that I was down to Hillary Clinton in 25 of the most recent 25 polls, and I saw that it was very unlikely that I was going to win this thing, why would I release them? If I'm going to lose anyway, I'd rather keep that information private at this point.
Yes, or you could take the Donald Trump on black people approach and say, what have you got to lose? If you're going to lose anyway, maybe you should just release it.
Unless you know it'll hurt you even more.
That's what we've been speculating the whole time. He knows it will hurt him.
Yeah.
So yes, I suppose at this point, you just keep it under wraps.
Show us the tax returns, Donald. Let's take a look. Let's see if you're an even bigger liar than you've already been shown to be dozens of times after dozens and dozens and dozens of times. What's one more lie? You know, the fact that you didn't donate to charity, or that you're not as rich as you say you are, or whatever. Let's take a look at those tax returns.